Surprise egg! Surprise egg! It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise egg! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, all she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice our little music. Now she won't have any dance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web up. He worked, and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquin is diving so high, and the water is splashing a lot, very much all around.
Yay! Enjoy your favorite Cleo and Cuquín videos on TV. Find us on Android TV, Fire TV, and Roku. Download it now.
Hi! Big rabbits! Carrot! How big? Bye, ghost! Choo! No! Small dog. Big dog. Wow! How big? Bye, tomato. Choo! Whoa! Small cow. Moo. Moo. Big cow. Oh. Grass. How big? Bye, Moo Moo. Choo! Big rabbits.